Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to change leverage on Kraken Pro. So to change your leverage, the first thing to do is to go to pro.kraken.com or open the Kraken Pro app on your mobile. Then log into your Kraken account. Then from there, on the main screen, pick the market you want to trade. For example, you can pick this crypto pairs, which is BTC/USD. Then from there, you have to look for the right hand side for the order form, then select order type, maybe market, limit, and stop if it depends on you. Then from there, in the order form, find the leverage drop down menu, then choose the desired leverage. For example, you can choose 2 times, 3 times, and up to 5 times depending on the pair. Then select the leverage will be applied to the specific trade. Then after that, you have to place your trade. So to place your trade, you have to enter the amount of crypto you want to trade, then review the margin requirement and the liquidation price shown, then click on buy with margin or sell with margin to place the trade. So that's it. If you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.